Hey everyone, today we're exploring ToughBuilt's lineup of tools built to handle the hardest jobs with smart designs and lasting durability. Whether you're on a construction site or tackling a weekend DIY project, these tools are engineered to perform. Let's dive in and see what makes them stand out. ToughBuilt's four-wheel cart is molded from high-performance polymer for rugged strength. It integrates seamlessly with full-size StackTech boxes, and its heavy-duty swivel casters glide smoothly, even in tight spaces, so you can haul toolbox loads without breaking a sweat. These precision-forged snips feature induction-hardened blades that outlast cast designs by up to 10x. A patent-pending ergonomic grip lets you switch between rear-hand leverage and forward-hand control. And the flush pivot bolt stops material from snagging. Backed by a lifetime warranty, they're built to last. The small electrician pouch revolutionizes tool carry. The ClipTech hub snaps on any belt in seconds, and the fold-out kickstand keeps 13 specialized pockets upright. Tester holder, adjustable tool pouch, notebook slot, tape loop, and more, so your gear is always within arm's reach. This roller stand's 2-inch squared tube frame and chrome roller deliver both strength and smooth support for long workpieces. It adjusts from 27.5 inches to 43.5 inches with a simple lever and folds flat for storage, perfect for material handling on plumbing, carpentry, or pipe fitting jobs. ToughBuilt's 2-in-1 scraper knife flips from blade to scraper with a single thumb press. It ships with 5 universal blades that swap out in seconds. Scrape paint, putty, and stickers, then flick back to knife mode for carpet, vinyl, or rope cutting. True all-day versatility. Integrated gel and memory foam cushioning distribute pressure and stabilize your thigh to prevent twisting. The raised shin platform lifts your leg off hard surfaces, while an ergonomic design ensures all-day comfort on concrete, tile, or wood subfloors. This 24 to 40-inch level snaps down to 24 inches for easy storage, then locks out to 40 inches for larger projects. Its recessed, impact-resistant vials guarantee accuracy to 0.029 degrees. And a rear-view window lets you read the bubble from multiple angles. A rubberized housing protects it from drops and dings. Set up this portable workbench in seconds. Pull the handle and the 3-foot by 2-foot surface supports up to 1,000 pounds. Integrated measurement markings help you cut and clamp with precision. and ClipTech pouches can snap onto all four corners, giving you a mobile, organized workstation. This 12-inch hacksaw boasts an oversized tension knob for blade tightness you control. The injection-molded handle reduces fatigue, and built-in blade storage holds 6 spares. When you need to slice metal or PVC, the stable frame makes every stroke count. (10) 48-inch Mason's Level. ToughBuilt's aluminum Mason's Level features a wide frame and dual-edge surfaces for laying screeds and smoothing concrete. Its recessed vials and rear side window offer crisp readings from any angle, and the rugged build stands up to job site abuse day after day. (11) Drain Spade. A 16-inch carbon steel head on a 30-inch composite D-grip handle makes trenching and channeling a breeze. The paddle shape digs tight ditches for irrigation or drainage, while the ergonomic handle reduces strain, delivering strength and comfort in one package. (12) Drilling Hammer. This fiberglass-handled hammer features a precision-forged steel head with both milled and smooth faces. The reinforced neck battles high-impact strikes, and a rubber overmold on the handle absorbs vibrations, so you can drive chisels or stakes without bouncing fatigue back into your arm. (13) Post Hole Digger. ToughBuilt's Post Hole Digger combines heavy-gauge steel blades with a lightweight composite handle. The engineered pivot bolt ensures smooth action and maximum leverage, letting you sink holes for fence posts or shrubs in record time, minus the shoulder workout. (14) Crossline Laser Level. The 100T self-leveling laser projects bright green cross lines up to 100 feet, with an out-of-level indicator to catch errors. IP54 dust and water protection mean it survives dusty or damp sites, and the pendulum lock keeps it safe in transit. (15) ShockStop 24-ounce Hammer. With ShockStop technology built into the handle, this rip hammer absorbs recoil and reduces hand-arm fatigue. A forged steel head and magnetic nail starter make striking nails and chisels more accurate, while each blow feels smoother and more controlled. (16) 24-big precision multi-bit driver. This aluminum driver plus case set holds 24 magnetized black chrome bits for every common fastener. A ball-bearing spin cap speeds up screw driving, and spring-loaded bit cradles keep everything organized. It's precision and convenience in a single kit. (17) 12-in-1 multi-bit driver. This versatile driver packs 4 double-ended bits and 4 nut driver heads into one handle. Chrome-plated steel resists rust, and a 3-panel rubber grip fights slip and hand fatigue. Quick transitions between bits keep your workflow moving, no extra driver needed. (18) Folding pole saw. Patented blade storage within the handle gives you a full-length pole saw in a compact form. Its double-edged blade features 17 TPI for fine cuts and 7 to 10 TPI for rough work. Switch cutting styles in seconds, then fold it up for space-efficient storage. (19) Utility knife collection. These knives use the industry's easiest blade swap system. Just unlock, swap, and lock again. Built-in storage holds extra blades, and multi-stage cutting positions adapt to tasks from light scoring to heavy slicing. A solid choice for any trade. (20) StackTech Mobile and Drawer System. ToughBuilt StackTech modular system snaps together with self-aligning lids and auto-locking interfaces. The mobile box latches and releases with one hand, and the 3-drawer unit slides open without unstacking. Customize your stack for tools, parts, or accessories. Tool storage simplified. That wraps up our look at 20 ToughBuilt tools engineered for heavy-duty performance and smart design. Which one do you want on your next job site? Drop your pick in the comments, hit like, and subscribe for more no-nonsense tool reviews and tips.
Thanks for watching our videos. Please don't forget to like, comment, and share with your friends if you found our video helpful. Subscribe to our channel to get more videos like this.